And in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 things you need to do to start a graphic design business in Nigeria in the year 2025. Why graphic design? Yes, graphic design is one of the most lucrative skills that you can start with nothing. I am a living example. You can start with no money at all. But then the first thing you need to do to start a graphic design business in Nigeria is number one, you need to learn skills. You need to learn skills in Corel Draw, Adobe Photoshop, Figma, or InDesign. You must not necessarily learn everything, but if you are good with one of these software, is enough to start. You can either enroll for a course or you can go online to learn on your own. This will really help you. When you do this, the next thing you need to do is to build a good portfolio for yourself across social media handles like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even website or Behance. So that said, the second thing you need to start a graphic design business in Nigeria is the graphic tools. And one of it that you should prioritize in my case is having a good laptop that has a good battery. Because in Nigeria, I know as our light matter be, but if you have a laptop that has a good battery, it's really going to serve you. And if you don't have much to buy, a laptop that have good battery or sophisticated graphics card and all of that, you can buy a little one to start. Like me, I started with the laptop of was it not 15,000? Yes, that was how much I got my first laptop. So you can start small like that with your phone as well, because you can create amazing graphics with your phone. You can find this kind of video on phone graphic design inside my YouTube channel. I have it there. Go and watch for free. Go online to download free mockup files and templates that can help you as a beginner, because you may not have the requisite knowledge to create a very good design if you are a beginner, but you get good templates and mockup, it's really going to help your design journey. And try to also be doing free work and volunteer for your friends and loved ones to build a strong social media and marketing presence. So you are going to be posting your designs online. You're going to be posting across all social media you get. Then you are going to set a good standard for yourself. Make yourself available online. So this is going to really help you to build a strong graphic design business. You don't have to joke. You have to be very intentional about creativity and be consistent about posting them across social media handles. Number four thing to do to start a good graphic design business in Nigeria is collaboration and networking. It's very, very important. If you are just starting up, you are just starting up, trust me, you have to collaborate with professionals, people that are already in the business that are doing it. You can be a subordinate designer that when they have a lot of work, they can give you some design to do, they correct you, and then you can always get better. Network with social media managers, people like that. Network with web designers, network with content creators, network with small brands, and start creating for them. In fact, volunteer to render free service for these people. These are the same people that are going to patronize you. They are going to buy what you are selling. They are going to refer you. It's more like you are giving somebody a free service, like a free trial on app. When the person gets used to the app, definitely is going to subscribe. So that is how to network. Number five things you need to do to start a graphic design business is brand yourself, market yourself. Brand yourself to make it professional. This is by creating a good logo for yourself, a good business name that is easy to remember, easy to identify, and also do your business card and then share it to people. Create your brand and set your price. How much are you charging for logo? How much are you charging for flyer? How much are you charging for this? But for a start, make your price very affordable, because it's the affordability that is going to attract a lot of people to you. If you see professionals or big people in the game designing something for 20k, 10k, 5k, You can decide to start doing your own from 2K. You understand? You know bad. Because at the end of the day, you are going to have people through this affordability. And as you get better on the job, you'll continue to improve your price, increase your price as you improve on your standard. Starting a graphic design business in Nigeria is not hard. All you need to do is to get the right skill and the right knowledge. If you find this video helpful and you would like to try out this thing I just tell you, kindly give me a follow, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment for me. And if you want to learn any graphics design skill, send me a DM. I'm available to teach you at an affordable price.